and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got Momofuku with their Tingly Chili Wavy noodles. And these are made by Asha Dry Noodle in Taiwan, but this is for the US market. And this is the last of the Momofuku varieties. I've been wanting to try these for quite a while. And so I am very thankful to Asha for sending this over. Check out that. Very thick. Dropping it in. It says do it for 4 minutes. Longer for a softer noodle. So I'm doing it for 4 and we'll see what happens. But yes, y'all. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Oh boy. And for you, it's what? Almost March. So it's like springtime for you and your people. I hope you're having a wonderful spring. Hopefully spring and the rest of the seasons haven't been outlawed at this point. I'm guessing they have not. That would be it'd be a really zany thing to do. Granted, I don't know how you would do it. Just rest assured knowing no matter how crazy the world around you gets, the grass will still grow, the birds will still chirp, and McDonald's will keep coming out with fascinating and savory menu items for till the end of time. So there you go. It's cloudy, it's been moist. That's really all I can say. It hasn't been like dump and rain the last few days. It's just been violently moist. It's just you go out and then you're like your beard gets all wet. You're just walking around, minding your own business, wet beard. So, not a fan, but it's just the deal. So, yeah. So yeah, tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and we're gonna have ham. Some this new internet yeah, it's an internet thing. This scalloped potatoes. I don't know. They didn't have scalloped potatoes, but they had scalloped potatoes. Yeah. And my sister got some butterflake rolls. Those are good. So basically we'll have a bunch of sodium, a bunch of fat, and a bunch of carbs. And it's really yummy. And you just feel okay for doing that. But what we won't have, since we're having ham, is we won't have tryptophan. So, where did we get our ham? We got our ham at Costco. Wasn't too expensive. It was hammy. Hammy McHamister. So yeah, had our daughter's conference yesterday. She has a great teacher who believes in if you're going to read something, you're not going to do it on a tablet or a laptop. You're going to read it out of a book. I'm like, yes. You're trying to make rules so there won't be cell phones at school. You had to fill out a survey. I'm like all over that. I don't know. There's no cell phones at school. We're going to have to withdraw our child. Did you have cell phones at school? Well, no, but it's a different world. No, it's not. No, it's not. I don't know. But I do know that I'm going to need something to drain this noodle with, and so I'm grabbing the noodle drainer device right as we speak. It's getting close to having to go get the kids off the bus. But I have plenty of time. I managed my time very well today. Thank you very much. That commercial is funny. Thank you very much. I'll have 100 milligrams of sodium. Thank you very much. Yeah. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. See, I do say that. I notice my son often. My daughter will be like, blah, 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 blah. And he'll say, Mimi, don't worry about it. And I'm thinking, do I say that all the time? And I'm starting to feel that, yeah, I guess I do. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't. Just don't. All right. Tingly chili time. You know, I've been working with all these chili crisps and stuff. This one will get some of the, because this is a Momofuku product. I also have all these Momofuku chili crisps, so I'm adding them to these. But, yeah. But I've been noticing I'm getting heartburn lately, and I'm like, why am I getting heartburn? Maybe it's all the oil and chili and stuff that you. I mean, I'm not like wolfing it down or nothing. All right. That is a wider Taiwanese dry noodle. It's different though because theirs are not rippled on the edge. So cheers, let's give it a try. Okay. That I like. It is tingly. It is spicy. It's got Szechuan pepper. But that's not all, folks. It's also got regular pepper, and it works well. And a little bit of sweet. Very savory. Very nice. I like it. I find it to be nice. Yep. I don't know. Has this thing like decided to bounce back and I've got more? No. I will next time. Maybe I'll do it once I'm done with this. But it's not like I can fill it up right now and it'll just work. It needs a little bit of time. Yay, the last egg. Oh, is this a weird one? This is kind of a weird one. I don't know. Well, we'll see what happens. Oh, you're being weird. Okay. No, you're kind of weird, but you did okay. All right. Bye-bye, egg marinade. Okay, and now we got some more. I already put some spring onion on there. I have so much more. I've been getting these organic ones, and it's great because they last for like a week and a half, and they're just like pretty much the right size, right gauge that I like them, and they're not funny. I don't know how else to put it. But I'm gonna use some of this Momofuku. Oh, God! Chili Crunch. You know which one that I have been leaving that I shouldn't be? I should start using it. There's a black truffle chili crunch that I've got over there in my chili crunch collection. And it definitely needs some more. Some more time in the sun. Whew. Whew. There was a guy when I came out with I posted my top, or not my top 10, my my big list of all the chili crunches and chili crisps that I've tried. There's a guy like, by the way, you know what? This guy is like, has said, because I referred to it as love sludge. Like, this guy said he like wrote love sludge 7 times in that entire article. Like, so what? That's what it is. Yummy love sludge. But yeah. Good stuff. Music time. Well, that's it for me. I don't know. It's the end of February for you, so happy Arbor Day. I don't know. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Back in front of City Hall, concrete drawings. It's fun to use chalk to scrawl. Late summer, almost fall in Kenmore.